What's good, guys? We are back with another video today, this weekend, not just today. We're fixing my car. I got a new breather hose for the CCV crankcase breather hose thing, and we're gonna replace it. Shout out to BavHaus. I ordered this nice little hose that they have, and they got it out to me in like 2 days, so thanks, BavHaus. It was sweet. But yeah, let's get started on removing the intake, whole thing right here, possibly the dipstick and a bunch of other stuff, just so I can get that off. As y'all may be able to see, I am fist deep inside my BMW right now, because I decided to take it the easy way and not remove my dipstick and a bunch of wires. I managed to fit my hands through this tiny hole to squeeze the tube off. I got the top part off, but it broke. So that's where my vacuum leak is coming from, confirmed, pretty sure. Unless there's another one somewhere, so it could be. But now I have to get the bottom clamp off, and it's stuck. And I can't use all I can't use all my hand strength because it's in a hole. So I'm gonna struggle here for the probably next hour. So hopefully when I see you next, there will be a bright blue Bavarian Tuning hose connected to my motor. All right, so I got the piece off. As you can see, it is very broken. That is supposed to be like right there. So yeah, now we gotta get the new one on. I scratched up my hand. I scratched up my hand pretty bad trying to get in there, but let's do it again. All right, as you can see, I got the hose on. It was a lot more easy to put on than take off, because this one, as you can see, is a mess. I don't know what the last guy was thinking that this tape would do, especially considering that this is the broken part. But I got the new one on. It's nice and snug on both ends. I'm gonna put the intake back together and then give it a start and see how it is. Not saying anything, but I hope it fixes my burning oil or vacuum leak. One of the two, I'll take it. And it is put all back together. I decided to not put that in. You can hate all you want. It's literally license plates. It's bent up license plates used as a heat shield. I'm not putting it back in. Fight me. The intake doesn't do anything anyways. But got the breather hose on, got everything back together. Don't make fun of my zip ties. And yeah, I think I'm gonna take it on a quick test drive and test it out and see if it actually fixed anything. All right, just got back from the test drive. It feels alive and insane. Like, the difference I noticed was insane. Like, all the issues with my car are now fixed, essentially. I just gotta clear the code tomorrow at work with my code reader and see how good it does. Because it feels 20 times better than it did. So yeah, shout out BavHaus, like, for real, insane work. P11050, P1144. That's it. All right, update on my car. I went and bought a mass airflow sensor and tried to mess with it yesterday. I don't think it did anything. We'll see. I'm gonna read the codes again tomorrow and try to look and kind of see what's going on, because it has those codes. I'll put them up, or in the last clip probably that you saw. So yeah, still trying to figure that out. But today we're going to the Japanese Botanical Garden in Fort Worth. So we're gonna go check that out. I hope there's cool spots for pictures, because that would be sick. Get some cool, I don't know if they have cherry blossoms or like some cool trees, pictures with the Audi. It'll be cool. and we'll just kind of show it off because we've never been there before. So that's the plan today. Look at these guys, all these fish. This is so cool. It literally looks like we're in Japan.
What do you know? Never been to Japan.
I've seen pictures. We're gonna go next year. Look at these guys. Hello. They want food, but we don't have any food. Rip. Yeah, we're gonna walk around here a little bit. I'll get some clips because it's really cool. Wound up at the zoo in Fort Worth. Now we're looking at elephants. Look at a baby.
He's fuzzy too.
Aww. He's so hairy and weird. All right, I think that's gonna be the end of our weekend adventure. It was pretty fun. Just kind of, did some stuff today. Worked on my car, actively trying to figure it out. We're gonna read the codes tomorrow and try to narrow down what's going on. If you have any idea, let me know. Not the MAF sensor, not any vacuum leaks. So, yeah, not sure. No updates on this. Still got the Valvetronic mufflers over here. Just waiting to find a shop. We might have found one. We just gotta go get prices and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next weekend.